guys, it's me Sylvia back with another video. Welcome back to my channel. Happy holidays. Okay, it's December, so it's basically Christmas, and we are going to be unboxing the most expensive beauty advent calendar ever. Okay, maybe not ever, but like the most expensive one that I have ever unboxed, and that's saying something because I do this every year. We have unboxed a ton of beauty advent calendars on this channel, and this is the most expensive one by far. $429 for the YSL Beauty Advent Calendar. What? So expensive, but also like I'm really excited. I really like YSL's makeup for the most part, so I'm hoping that like they'll give us kind of each category of makeup for a full face, but I don't know. I don't know what they give us in here. I mean, better be good. It was expensive. That's all I know. Before we get started, subscribe to my channel, please. That will help me out a lot.
You know, I spent good money on this advent calendar. Like, it's free to subscribe. You'd be doing me that favor. So like the trade-off, I guess, is pretty good. Like if you want to do it that way, like love you forever, you know?
Okay, anyways, let's get on with the video. It's actually such cute packaging. And it's supposed to be a 24-piece set of their best-selling makeup, skincare, and fragrances. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, come on. There we go. Oh my goodness. So we got the full 24 days. Look how cute. They're just like little drawers, but like the packaging is so cute. I want to keep it. Like maybe just store my jewelry in there or something, you know?
He's a hoarder.
Okay, first day, what do you get? Oh, it's so cute and little. You get the little opium fragrance. Oh my God, it's so cute. Hey, it matches my shirt. Okay. Let me smell. Oh my God, I'm lightheaded. That was such a big sniff. That smells like my aunt. I like it though. The top note is honey like mandarin orange, spicy carnation, sweet jasmine. Does feel feminine and sophisticated. Another little addition to add to my perfume collection. Day 2 is a little bit of a bigger box. Another perfume. Oh, with the little jar. It's so cute. It's the Libre. The Libre. Libre? It's French. Doesn't that mean book in French?
I'm that stupid.
Oh my God, my senses are all like with the first perfume still. I don't even know what this smells like. I think I like this one better. This definitely smells sweeter. It combines lavender essence from France with the sensuality of Moroccan orange blossom with a daring note of musk accord. It actually smells really floral. I love it. But I'm waiting for some makeup. Let's see what number 3 has for us. It's in a little tissue. I get to unwrap it. It's a lipstick. Yes. Oh, so gold, so luxurious. It's a nice red for the holidays. Oh, it's so pretty. Definitely a true blood red. That's so pretty and bright. It's got a bit of shine to it. It's a satin finish. Okay. Can never go wrong with a red for the holidays. Day 4. Oh, it's a mascara. It's their Volume Effet Faux Cils mascara. I can't speak French, and all of YSL's stuff is French, so literally excuse my French in this video. I don't know that I've tried this mascara of theirs, but I do like the wand, so we'll try that out later. Where's day 5? Oh, this looks like a good fat-sized one. What? I don't know, but I'm excited. Oh, it's an eye pencil. It's a black waterproof eye pencil. Day 6 is over in the corner here. Oh, it's their concealer stick, Touche, Éclat, Illuminator, and Corrector. Shade 2. Is this their concealer? Okay. So it took a couple clicks to get the product out of there, but that's because it's brand new. It's also in shade number 2, which I think will match me, but that's interesting. It's obviously not a universal shade, so that's something to keep in mind. Or like, yeah, shade 2 would match most of the people buying this. I don't know. You know, a better idea would have been to like put a little code in there to redeem this for free online, but so you can actually get your right shade, you know? What the heck? I'm a genius. Like, that's such a good idea. Day 7, another one of their lipsticks. Ooh, it's more of like a dusty rose color. That's really pretty. Number 8, cute little square box. I can't open these fast enough. Like, this is truly Christmas come early. Oh, it's so little. Tiniest products in the world, another video, you guys. It's their makeup remover, but I mean, this is such a small bottle. Like, come on, even the travel size could have been a little bit bigger than this. I feel like you would literally get like 5 uses out of this, but I've never used their makeup remover before, so I am curious. Day 9, you get, ooh, another lip product. This is their mini Tatouage Velvet Cream in the shade 216. It's like a mini liquid lipstick. That's a pretty shade. I don't know that I'd reach for it as regularly as the other ones, but I do like it. Number 10, it's the Pure Shots Hydra Bounce Essence, a hydrating blend of vitamin E and B3 that preps and soothes skin. Okay. It smells fresh and really good. It feels like a water gel moisturizer, just very lightweight. Dude, they need to make these just like a tiny bit bigger. Like they give you a little taste of their products to get you hooked even more. But like it's working. It smells really good. On the 11th day of Christmas, YSL Advent Calendar gave to me another mascara. This one is like a different version of that first one. It's the curler, more of a short and spiky curved wand. The other one is thick and fluffy. On day 12, you're getting a glossy stain. Ooh, it's very bright. Oh, it's a red. I used a makeup wipe and everything. It's not budging. That looks more orange now than anything, but I normally don't reach for stains, but I haven't tried YSL's yet, so I'm glad they included that in there. Day 13. Oh, I already know this is another perfume. I could feel it. I have the big version of this, but like, look how cute the little one is. It's their Black Opium, and it does smell really good. That's a good one. Day 14, you're getting another lipstick. Isn't this the same as the first one? Oh no, this is definitely way more orange than that first red we got. Oh, she's bold. She's vibrant for the holidays. We're doing orange lips. I'm down. I actually really like that. On day 15, you get another one of their liquid lipsticks in the shade number 1, and it's another True Blood Red. I mean, you're definitely good in the red lip department with this calendar. Day 16 is another skincare product. It's their Pure Shots Night Reboot Serum with Moonlight Cactus Flower and Glycolic Acid. Fancy. I feel like, especially with skincare, it takes a while to even see a difference in your skin, so it'd be nice if at least the skincare products were a little bigger. Oh, it's actually really watery. Do you see that? Doesn't smell like anything. Whoa, I actually noticed a difference in my hand. The lines, like the fine lines in the pores, are less noticeable. I'm definitely gonna try that on my face. Day 17, you get, oh, definitely another lipstick. Oh, it's a pink shade. I barely ever wear pinks on my lips, but I mean, there's always a time and a place, maybe, just not very frequently, for me at least. Number 18, it's another perfume. Which one is this? It's their Mon Paris fragrance. Oh, I like that. It's much lighter than the other ones. It smells like springtime. I don't know, I can't describe it, but I do really like that. These two are my favorite perfumes so far. Day 19, oh, another lipstick. It's such a bright coral shade. Are you seeing that? If you like bright, bold colors, oh, this calendar is for you. Oh no, we're already on number 20. We're nearing the end. It's their Blur Primer. Oh my goodness, I've tried this. I really, really like it. It has little like specks of glitter in it. And I like that it's not a pump, it's a spatula in there, so you can really scoop out every last drop. So I am happy about that one. Day 21, another perfume. I didn't even know YSL had this many perfumes. I'm not gonna lie to you. Oh, I don't like that one. Why does that smell like apple cider vinegar to me? It's their Tuxedo fragrance. Straight out the bottle, it smelled like apple cider vinegar, but upon further inspection, it actually smells pretty good. But my senses can't be trusted at this point. I've smelled too many perfumes. My YSL perfume collection is off the chain right now. Oh, we got a bunch of little babies. Day 22, you're getting, oh, a brush? Yes! Something we haven't gotten yet, a really soft, luxurious, big fluffy powder brush. Ooh, I like that for blush, for bronzer, for setting powder. Oh, it's so soft. One of my favorites so far that we've gotten. Day 23, the second last product. It's the Instant Moisture Glow. Oh, I've never tried this. It smells so good. It says it's supposed to be hydrating and you can use it to prime your face. It does have a bit of that tacky feeling to it, so I feel like it would be a good primer. Again, I just wish it was bigger. Like, you can't get many uses out of this. Last day, Christmas Eve, you're getting the biggest box in the calendar. Is it a nail polish? It is. It's a nail polish. What color is it? That's such a pretty shade. Oh, I'm excited about this. I'm about to feel so bougie with YSL nail polish. Okay. It's a really pretty berry shade. I know what color my toes are going next. Okay, so that completes the advent calendar. So we're not gonna be able to do like a full face look, but we'll just try out some of the products quick anyway. So we have their Pure Shots Night Reboot Serum. So that feels really, really hydrating. My skin is really bad right now, you guys. I really like that. It smells really good. It soaks into your skin right away and it left me with a glow for sure. I wanna include this in my nighttime routine. Next we have their Blur Primer, which I really love. Foundation goes on really nicely on top of it without breaking apart like sometimes foundations do on mattifying pore filling primers. Really glad they included that in the calendar. Now we'll try their Radiant Touch little concealer stick. Again, I find it interesting that they just like picked one shade to put in all the calendars, and it's one of the full-size products, so if it didn't match me, like I would feel kind of disappointed that one of the full-size products like would be complete waste, you know? So I'm just doing a quick application, no foundation or anything, just so you guys can get a good idea. If you like a light coverage concealer, you'll really like this. That's actually the perfect shade for me for brightening. I could also see myself liking this as like a touch-up stick to help with like redness or just spot treat around the face, but this shade is just a little too light for that. I'd have to get it in my foundation shade. So you can see it's giving me a nice light coverage under there, but you can still kind of see the shadows and darkness, so it's a light coverage concealer and a very natural finish. Nice for those no makeup days. Next, let's try out their lip stain. I have never tried their lip stain, so I'm really curious. It's super lightweight, but wow, it actually gives you a lot of pigment. I love the shape of the wand too. It's like pointed, so it's easy to get a nice precise application. It's a little streaky, so I had to do a couple layers. Okay, it's kind of streaky, and when I rub my lips together, you can like see the imprint. Maybe I put too much on. I'm applying it for a second time because it was really streaky, and I feel like this is the type of lip product that you just want to use a little bit because it was looking real wonky. There we go. Much better. Now you're getting a nice lip stain effect. If you want something lightweight that you don't really feel and it's gonna stay on your lips and not budge, then lip stains are definitely your speed. Yeah, this one was a little finicky to put on. You definitely just have to like dab it in bit by bit, because even when I go like this, you can kind of see like the imprint, you know what I'm saying? But it's a really pretty red, and if you like staying power, then lip stains are probably your best bet. But let's take it off and see how bad it stained my lips. Oh yeah. That almost looks like my lips could naturally be that red. Or does it look like, did I eat too many hot peppers, you know? I don't know. Now let's try out the mascaras. So I'm gonna do one for each eye because we got two mascaras. This one is the original mascara volume. It's got a fluffy round brush. It says volume, so I was expecting a little bit more oomph, but they're not clumping at all, which I like, and it's definitely adding length. On the other eye, I'll try the curler version. And the wand is interesting. It's curved, got little spikies. That's like hugging my lashes. I feel like it's following like the shape of my eye really well with that curve, but this one's definitely clumping up my lashes more than the other one. She's very clumpy. I prefer the original 100%, but this one looks really good on my bottom lashes. Here are all the lipsticks swatched that were in the calendar. A lot of vibrant shades, a lot of holiday reds. I felt like they should have thrown in a nude in there, you know, a nice universal shade. A lot of the shades were really bold, which I get for the holidays. Also, the red shades were really similar, and then I feel like there was two dusty rose shades that were very similar as well. So, you know, with so many lip products, they should have just gave us more variety. I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you like the lip colors in here? Overall, it was a really fun experience to open it. Do I think it's worth the money? Yes, because you're getting so many different products. But would I buy it again for myself? Probably not, just because I would have loved to see, you know, more different types of makeup, like YSL makeup in there, like eyeshadows, blushes, all that. So there's too many items in there that I don't see myself using, but there were some amazing little gems like this, very excited about. What did you think about YSL's advent calendar this year? Let me know down below. Also, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you can see the next advent calendar unboxing we're gonna do. I ordered a bunch and we're gonna do them all in one video, so stay tuned for that. Click here to watch another one of my videos if you haven't seen it yet. See you guys in the next one. Bye.